So this euro pound analysis for Wednesday the 6th of June. Now let's just have a look what are in prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had prices previously come down towards this 87.30s, foreseeing the bullish buy side momentum to take us up towards that 87.83. And again, euro pound has been in a bit of a trading range. We've seen a move down towards the 18.30s, briefly broke in towards the 87. So let's just say that again. So we've broken down into towards the 87.20s briefly before seeing the bullish buy side momentum take us up towards that 87.83. We broke back in towards that 87.20s again. And again, we've seen the bullish buy side momentum come into the market, take us beyond the 87.50, brief pullback, and now we're seeing a break of that 87.50, a decisive break of that 87.50. So if we do see the momentum upwards continuation here on the euro against the pound, we're looking for a retest of that 87.83, an area we previously found resistance, and a successful break from which we're looking for a move towards that 88 level. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, I'll expect 88.20 to come into focus. Don't anticipate price heading all the way towards that 88.51 unless we do have a particularly volatile day. It's possible that 88.20 being the far end range here to the upside. If we do turn around, however, we'll look to see whether 87.50 does hold, or if we do break down in around the 87.20s. 87.20s to 87.25, which we've previously found support, but breaking down from there, we're looking for a move down towards that 87 level, and if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 86.63 may just come into focus. What we'll do now is we'll have a brief look here at the daily chart to see how prices have been developing. We get the scale on here correct, and as we can see, is a very choppy price action here on the euro pound. We've been in a very tight range over the past probably couple of weeks now on the euro against the pound. There isn't really much you can make out of this price action here. The only thing we can look at is in relation to the price action taking place before it, and we do have a low, a slightly higher low, and we're in this consolidation. So we have the low, slightly higher low, and we're in this consolidation. We've not seen a decisive break to the downside. So if we can break and hold, if we can continue to hold above the 87.50, we'll be looking for a stair-step motion and recovery to the upside. But if we do see the break from the 87, we're then looking for prices to retest the old lows, possibly breaking down beyond the 86.63, possibly heading down towards that 86 level. Now, with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.